Hello, we're doing another vlog and we're outside. Look how pretty the tree is. Okay, so I wanted to start this vlog outside because one, it's very pretty, and two, I don't know why else. Oh, the weather's nice. Wow. Also, look at my outfit. I'm wearing a boys extra large shirt with an overall skirt that I got from Aeropostale. Well, it's not from Aeropostale. I got it at Plato's Closet. It is Aeropostale. And then we got sneakers there. We did an outfit check. So what is this video? Why are we doing another vlog? And I'm basically picking it up from where we left off on the last vlog. Sorry, my nose is like, my skin is dry on my nose. So like the dry skin is like making it tickle. Does that ever happen to you? I have like, my skin is oily one week and then dry the next. It's never in between. It can't make up its mind. But yes, so now I'm fully vaccinated, which means I have 2 weeks till I'm fully antibodied, body-yaddy-yaddy. That was bad. But once I hit that 2-week mark, the great part is I can finally go back to work safely and I'll still be wearing a mask. Is the fan really loud here? I'm sorry if the fan's loud. There's a fan in the house as well, but there's no tree in the house, so what we make up for noise, we make up with tree. I have 2 weeks basically to get through a very large to-do list of things that I want to get done in order to be like a smooth transition back. I'm just trying to get my life together so that I can go back to work. This is me getting my life back together. That's what this vlog is, getting my life back together. I'm gonna take you inside now and I'm gonna show you, first I'm gonna show you my desktop because it is so organized. I'm so proud of it, I made it myself. And we'll go over my very long to-do list that I've already started to put a dent in starting yesterday. So, yay me. And that's all I can think of right now. So we'll go inside. There's a lot of noise out here. There's a lawnmower over there, there's a fan here, cars. It's a lot. So, okay, we are inside the house now. You can't see it, but I can see the tree out the window. It's like right over there, which is very nice. And we have some of my sister's undergrad art behind us. It says scenic. Yes, my home screen. I'm going to show it to you now, okay? So here it is. First, I keep a calendar because I keep my days straight, some motivation. Honestly, this has been helpful. And then I have cute little icons thanks to Julia K. Christ for all of my folders and whatnot. And then you'll see here across the top, we have a ton of to-do lists. This is where I keep my everyday to-do list, like just right here in the center. Over here is the master to-do list of 30 things, which we are gonna go over. And I don't know if did I talk about this last year, but last year I made a chart of things that was many more than 30 things. We'll just put it that way. And people were like, I don't know, that's a lot of things to think you can get done in quarantine. And then quarantine ended up being over a year long. So I wasn't crazy doing that. And I did get everything done on that list. So yay. Now we're on to these 30 things. As you can see, I already had the first 2 things checked off. I did all of my counting yesterday because that's a fun Sunday activity. And and this morning I washed the floors in our house and I washed the dogs. Those things kind of go hand in hand because the floors in our house only get gross because of the dogs, because they're nasty. Here we go. Here's another thing I need to do, which we've made progress on, and it's like this close to being done. You know those paintings that I started back in December for all of my friends to send to them? Well, I haven't sent them to them yet because I haven't finished all of them, because as I started doing it, started realizing that I had more friends that I wanted to also give gifts to. So, and then I ended up having many paintings I had to make, but I'm almost finished all of them. I literally have I'm almost done. I have one left that I want to do. That way I can pack them up. We can get them in the mailbox to be mailed. I still have not gone to a post office once this past year. Not once. I don't know if Rusty's barking. What was I saying? And then also, today, I'm going to work on planning out my 10-minute workout videos that I'm going to be filming for my other YouTube channel. If you don't know, I also have a fitness YouTube channel because I am a fitness instructor. Yeah, I have to work on first making some playlists with YouTube music, make them little 10-minute playlists, come up with some workouts. My goal is to film a few of them tomorrow. I have to make like 27 videos, which honestly is a lot less than what I did last round. I did mini-minute workout videos. So this will be like a ton less editing for me and filming, but I need to start working on it now because 2 weeks is basically what I have to do for that. What else? And then I also need to go through all the music I have myself to make playlists for the workout classes that I teach in person because not everyone wants to work out to copyright-free music. Who'd have thought? Which I kind of just work on that a little bit each night, going through all my music because it's very like chill to just sit and listen to music. You know, it's a nice way to wind down. Then I need to work on making new channel graphics, not just for my fitness channel now that the workouts are changing, but also for my main channel. I want to upgrade this channel. I feel like I'm starting to find, you know, my vibe, and I want to do a fitness photo shoot with my sister just because I want some nice professional photos to use on my Instagram, on my YouTube channel. And on the Motion app, MOSHN, is an app that I teach live virtual classes on, and you can like have nice little banner images for each of your classes when they pop up in the live schedule. Photo shoot, fun. I need to catch up on some TikToks. I kind of dropped the ball with those. Then all I have left is editing. I should be able to get like a majority of all these things done on the list this week because I already got next Sunday's video up. This is the earliest. I got 2 weeks worth of videos done in 1 weekend. And then I want to film a few more. And I realized that this is the second vlog style video now that I'm doing on this channel that I'm not putting on my vlog channel. And that's because, I don't know, I started that channel so long ago and just feels weird posting there. Like that's a different past version of me kind of thing. I don't know how to put it, but it just feels weird to post there. I'm just gonna get to work now. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get to work now. We're gonna get this done. We're gonna do it. I believe in us. We got this. Teamwork. Yeah. Hello. I'm using this to test the microphone, to hear how it sounds and all that stuff, as well as saying hello to the video that I'm filming for my other channel. We're starting day 1 of filming the fitness videos. I'm doing 4 15-minute yoga flows today, nice and easy. Cute barking dogs. I thought I'd use this talking opportunity to get like my nerves out because I always get a little nervous before filming workout videos because I try to keep them flowing really nice. There's just more pressure about it because it's like not like a workout class. I don't know, because it's a video. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna check if the microphone works. Okay, I can do this. I can talk to the camera. I've got this. I might be a little rusty. First off, look how beautiful it is outside. Second off, there's sunshine. Let's go in the sunshine. So nice. Also, I just finished filming another 7 workout videos this morning. And I'm gonna film 2 more that I didn't get to do yesterday because I ran out of memory space on my phone. I'm gonna do those 2 this afternoon before I teach on a live stream. So I am sweaty, I am hungry, and I'm ready to shower and put on more workout clothes. Progress, we're making progress, almost done filming, woo! Oh yeah, I'm literally drenched in sweat, look at me. Oh, just finished filming the last workout for my fitness channel, video number 26. I only needed 26 and I could have pushed it and done 27, but I didn't need the 27th video, and I filmed enough. I got all 26 fitness routines filmed Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, in 4 days. And now I'm gonna celebrate with my first batch of cold brew this year. It's finally warm enough. I'm gonna stretch and I'm going to eat breakfast. It's 1 p.m. Like I said, I pushed it. Oh, look at the sweat just dripping down me. I am ready to chill now. Okay. Yay, we did it.
That was a good burp.
Choking on my own spit. If you don't like noodles, I feel bad for you. Even there's gluten-free noodles, even if it's a gluten thing. Or rice. Maybe you like rice more, or like quinoa. I love quinoa, but like noodles. Come on, my guy. Okay. So, much like I forgot that I owned this dress, I forgot that I was filming this video. But for a good reason, because I was getting the stuff done. And then I started my new job, and it was in person, and I got pretty anxious. It's actually, that's a saw, that's a power saw in the background. I'm trying to film a nice chill outro with the nice sunset lighting and the trees, but we're dealing with boats and power saws in the background. I'm sure a dog will start barking soon too. But yeah, I got a lot done. I actually would check things off, and I put all the check things off in their own list, and I got 33 things done. But I think I kept adding things to the list, and I think that was the problem, why it became slowly impossible to get done. I hope you enjoyed that productivity montage of the things I remembered to film, but clearly I got more done than what was filmed. So the things that are left, I told myself I wasn't gonna be mad at what things I didn't end up getting done, because your self-worth is not measured by your productivity. If you take anything from this video, please take that. Please take that, put it in your back pocket, keep it forever. And I am considering actually making like another productivity type vlog, but like making it a shorter list and trying to get it like setting aside a day to get all those things done. You know what I mean? Like a productivity day. Let's acknowledge the things that I didn't get done. Number 1, catching up with all the TikToks I have filmed, getting them posted on a regular basis. Also, I didn't realize just how many photos I have on my phone. It's embarrassing. That was an embarrassing number of photos. I already got rid of like 1,000, I think, which is pretty impressive. So again, those 2 things did not get finished. Also, I have literally 1 chapter left in this book. 1 chapter. But I do recommend this book. I don't know if this is mirrored, but this book, my neighbor's sprinklers turned on and my other neighbor's air conditioner unit turned on. So that's what that buzzing sound is, but we really gotta end this video. But yes, when you buy this book, the proceeds actually goes to a scholarship fund. So I'm pretty sure, and like basically the money goes to a very good cause to support women and small communities. So great book to learn the perspectives of like the women who entered the workforce when it was very hard to enter the workforce, let alone being a woman of color, and they paved the way for so many. So I recommend this book, and I recommend buying it because the money goes to a good cause. They literally the authors don't keep a penny. These women are saints. They're so smart, so strong. But recommend the book, and I'm going to read the last chapter. After this, I'm gonna mow the lawn, eat dinner, and read the last chapter. And I'm very excited. It's very exciting to finish a book. But yeah, that concludes this video. Sorry I forgot about it. Sorry if it's weird and choppy, but I mean, I literally started the video with long hair and now my hair is short, so that kind of says everything. But thank you for watching if you sat through this. I hope you enjoyed the ending vibes of the trees and the screaming children in the background. You know, it's just a chill Wednesday night in my books. Yeah. Like this video if you want to see more productivity type vlogs. I might do one every once in a while when I need to get my life together, and we can do it together. We can encourage each other and cheer each other on. Comment down below any other types of videos you want to see. I can try to get them done. I can try my best. Subscribe so you don't miss them when they are done and uploaded. And follow me on Instagram at Pauline Does Things. I do things. Okay, I'm gonna go wrap up my evening. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Toodles. Can't believe I forgot I had this dress. It has R2-D2 and C-3PO on it, and it's so comfortable. I love shopping in my own closet. I hoard too many clothes. We need to go through my clothes. That might end up being a video.